Hey queens, and shout out to my king too. Welcome back to the video Rain. Welcome here if you are new. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit that like button if you like this video. So today I am just going to be doing a vlog, and it's kind of going to be like a daily vlog, pack with me vlog. So today is Friday, June 18th, and tomorrow is Juneteenth. So Juneteenth has become a national holiday. So that's amazing. It's about time. Here in Delaware, they made it a holiday, and then I guess nationally it's a holiday now. So we are off from work, and I'm just here eating some breakfast. I got a little bit of my honey girl from yesterday. I got like the crab stir fry, and it was cool. It was cool. And then I made myself some, it's like cheese bread. It's supposed to have tomatoes and basil on it. My tomatoes and basil went bad, so I have some dried basil on here and no tomatoes. And then I have Daya cheese with some butter under, and then Lari seasoning and some garlic powder. Lit. Even without the tomatoes and like grilled basil, it's really good. I definitely recommend that y'all try it out with the tomato and basil or without. It's really, really good. I just got off on a whole tangent. But yeah, so I am actually planning my day out for today. My birthday just passed. It was June 13th. I'm 25 now, y'all, so if you follow me on Instagram, then you might know that. If you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow me at Nabila Rain. You get like updates and stuff there. But so yeah, I turned 25, and I now have this as a birthday gift. It's an iPad Air, and I have been loving using it as a planner. So let me show y'all. I'm still like getting in the hang of using it, but this is just like some of the stuff that I put on it. On Wednesday I got my hair done, so I kind of made that like the, you know, the theme of it. And I'm supposed to be packing, reading, stuff like that. But I've been loving it for planning, so that's what I'm sitting here doing while eating my breakfast, or actually lunch, because it's 12 o'clock now. And I'm watching a YouTube video. It's by Catherine Manning, and she's basically talking about YouTube and you know, how to become better at YouTube. So I'm trying to be more consistent, if y'all haven't noticed. So I kind of like stopped posting as much as I did before, because y'all, I don't know if y'all noticed, but sometimes I'll get really excited and then I'll post like back to back to back, and it'll just be a lot. And then I won't post for like 2 weeks because I just gave y'all everything I had. So I get really excited or motivated, right? And then at times I'm not as motivated to record. So what I've decided is to post every Tuesday. Sometimes I miss a Tuesday, and I try not to, but my computer really be playing me. But so I'll be posting every Tuesday. So basically I'm just like watching videos and stuff like on how to become more consistent and things like that. So yeah, I hope that y'all are appreciating the videos. Let me know, comment down below if you like daily vlogs and vlog type of content. I know a lot of you probably follow me or subscribe to me because of my DIY videos, so comment down below if that's why you're here too, and I will continue to make more DIY videos. I'm actually planning on making one today, so look forward to it. I'm making a turmeric and yogurt face mask. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my breakfast, and also got me some kombucha. Who likes kombucha? I like this brand. It's not that expensive and it's pretty good. So y'all know I could literally talk forever. So I'll get back to y'all once, you know, I'm done. Y'all, I forgot one main ingredient. You can't forget to put the agave on top. Oh, chef's kiss. Alright, go. Bye.
Out with paid products for the sake of coming out with it to be something that your audience wants to buy. Well, I've got my content calendar to stay consistent and ultimately grow your YouTube channel.
It is currently 1:30 and I'm making lunch. I'm making some jerk chicken thighs and chickpeas, spinach, stuff like that. I'm not personally eating it. I'm making it for my husband. This video basically is going to be about me packing for my upcoming trip. I'm gonna tell y'all at the end of the video where I'm going, so definitely stay tuned until the end. But a hint is the place is going to be baking. It's gonna be hot. Okay, it's gonna be really hot. But I'm packing for it now. I'm leaving on Sunday night, so yeah, I have 2 suitcases. My mom is taking one of my suitcases for her things. So I'm working with one bigger suitcase and my carry-on and my personal item. I'm personally not trying to take that much. I'm staying for a month, so I kind of do need, like, you know, a variety of clothes, but I'm not really trying to take that much stuff because it's really not that necessary. So as you can see, I have some clothes on the bed. I have some clothes, my little hamper right there, and I'm about to wash those clothes. So yeah, it's a lot going on. But I wanted to show y'all some of the stuff that I got from TJ Maxx. I got like some little travel containers. This one, Sunny Skies Ahead, and I just have some deodorant and toothpaste in there. I have my Humble deodorant. I just got this from TJ Maxx. I love getting it from TJ Maxx because it's only $5 there, as opposed to like Sprouts, it's $10 for the same thing. But this is a all natural deodorant with no aluminum, and I love it. I'm not sure if I shared this on my channel before. I might have, I'm not really sure, but I know I shared it on Instagram a few times. So this is a natural deodorant that I use, and I love it. And then I also got this David's Premium Natural Toothpaste. I've never tried it before, so I'm kind of interested in trying it and see what it's all about. And it also comes with this little rolly thing where you put it at the end, and then you're able to roll out all of the toothpaste, which I think is really cool. But this right here is just going to be for stuff like that. This was originally going to be for my hair products, so I might just throw it in here in a Ziploc bag and call it a day. But I also got 2 other ones that can fit other things in it. This one says essentials and this one says makeup. I already have a makeup bag, so I won't be using this for makeup. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for. We shall see. But I'm actually sitting in my makeup bag. Here it is. I showed this in my most recent video, and this is from Merit Beauty, and it's like a little travel bag, and it's washable. So I got my makeup in here, and I'm most likely going to use this. And I have one more makeup bag that's from Victoria's Secret, so I'm gonna use that too. Something else that I wanted to share with y'all were these packing cubes, and these are from Amazon. If you can't tell, pink is my favorite color, so yeah, I just have a whole bunch of pink stuff. My suitcase is pink. Some clothes in here that I'm gonna be taking to Africa with me to get made. So there's already stuff in here. My limit is 50 pounds, so I gotta be really strategic about how I'm packing this up. But anyways, I get so distracted, y'all. I'm so sorry. So these are the packing cubes that I got. They aren't as big as I thought they were gonna be, but I'm gonna put some stuff in it and see what it's gonna do. Roll it up and put it in here. So it comes with like a bigger one, a medium one. It comes with like a little laundry bag, this little, I guess, like toiletry bag, and then there are 2 more, and there is this little pouch thing. So I'm gonna throw stuff in here, and we're gonna see what it's gonna be. I probably put this inside of my carry-on just so that I can fit a lot of stuff in there, and then I can save space in my bigger suitcase. So I'll get back to y'all once I figure out what I'm gonna do. All right, so I just got a package in the mail, and I'm really excited. So let's open her up. Here she is. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so what we had in our package was a perfume from Dossier. Firstly, I want to thank Dossier for sending over one of their perfumes for me to try out. I've actually been eyeing them, so this was perfect. So let me tell y'all a little bit about Dossier. They are a new perfume brand that's all about sustainability, clean ingredients, and just being good for you and being affordable. And y'all already know, I don't even have to say this anymore because y'all already know that we are here for that always and forever. So like, yes, this is just perfect for people who are conscious about what they're putting on their skin and what is in their products. So when you get something from Dossier, you know that it will be something that is good for you. They are a vegan, cruelty-free and paraben-free brand. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. They're about recreating designer scents and making it more affordable for, you know, everyday people like us. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. The packaging is very simplistic, but just like very sleek, and luxurious, and I love that. So the scent that I got was Fruity Jasmine, and the notes in it are mandarin, green leaf, sweet pea. The middle notes, jasmine, I think it's lang lang if I'm not mistaken, champaca, peach, and then the base notes are sandalwood, plum, and musk. So I thought that this one would be something that I probably would like, so I wanted to try this one out. So let's go ahead and do a little spritz of this. Oh wait, my seaweed over there. I don't want nothing to get on my seaweed. This smells really good, y'all. I like it. It's like, you're not supposed to go like this and rub your perfume in. You're just supposed to spray and let it dry, so I'm not gonna do that. But it smells, I don't really know how to explain it. It smells, I don't know, y'all, but it smells so good. I'm really not good at explaining scents, so that's why I really don't talk about scents on my channel too much. But nah, this is lit. I like this a lot. So Fruity Jasmine is supposed to be a recreation of Dior's J'adore perfume, so I don't really know what that smells like, so I'm not really sure. Like, I can't really compare, but this smells really nice, y'all. Like, I really do like it. So if you were interested in trying out any of Dossier's perfume, honestly, risk free, because like, if you don't like it, you can send it back and get a refund. Go ahead and click the link in my bio, and then they also are giving me a 10% coupon for y'all, so the link down below. So I'm gonna pack this up for sure with the rest of my perfumes, Fruity Jasmine, and then I brought over some of my other perfumes that I will be taking with me too. This is my absolute favorite perfume. I don't know where the top is, I use it that much. This is the Mon Paris by YSL, and I freaking adore this perfume. And then I'm also gonna take Dolce by Dolce & Gabbana. I think it's called Dolce. No, I think, or is it Garden? I don't know. I'm taking this perfume with me too. What I like to do is mix these two together, and it works out perfectly for me. Technically, like I said, you're supposed to wear perfume is you're supposed to spray it on your body and let it dry. If you go like this, it's changing the scent of it and the longevity of it. And technically, I guess you shouldn't really spray it on your body like this. Instead, spray it in front of you and walk through the mist. So those are some few little tips. So I'm about to pack up these perfumes, probably in one of those essential bags that I just showed y'all, and then let's go ahead into me packing up some of my clothes. I am going to be choosing some things. I'm taking this. I'm just trying to take some stuff that's light, that's not too heavy. And if you saw, I always say this, if you saw my Instagram, y'all really need to follow me on Instagram, because I do a lot in my stories. But I bought this little jumper from TJ Maxx, and it has like the ruffled bottom. And I bought this beautiful dress from TJ Maxx as well, so I'm obviously taking those. Here is a cute little dress that I can take too. My Fatima Jallo dress. Y'all know I love Fatima Jallo. And then I also got this dress recently from TJ Maxx as well. And I love it because it's long sleeve. So that's going to be the issue. I don't really have many undershirts. So I'm trying to figure out, you know, what to do, because I like stuff that's already long sleeve. This is already nice and light material, airy, and it's just easy to just throw on, put on some sandals, and call it a day. I wanted to get some more of these abayas. However, the material is a little too thick for where I'm going. So I think I'm gonna just stick with this one, call it a day. And then it's just some, I got a lot of dresses. So I'm gonna just basically pack up a whole bunch of dresses to make it easy for me. I'm also going to be bringing my Joe Bobs as well, so, and maybe like one hoodie just in case I might get cold inside the house or something. I don't know. And then I need to figure out what I'm going to wear to the airport as well. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I got basically all of like my outfits. After this, I'm gonna like get like workout stuff, because when I'm there, I actually want to, like, you know, be healthy, workout. I bought a yoga mat, so I'll show y'all that too. I already have one, but I wanted to get like a slimmer one. So yeah, I'm gonna work on workout leisure type outfits next. All right, so I bought this little hanger from Amazon, and I put all of my scarves on here, but y'all, this thing is so heavy, like there's no way that I can take this with me. So I'm gonna have to choose, like actually look and see what's in there and coordinate to see what is gonna go with what. Hold on, let me pause this YouTube video. So yeah, I got a whole bunch of these scarves from Velvet Collection. That's the chiffon scarves that you see here. So yeah, I'm gonna just have to choose and see what I like. But if you are a hijabi and you have a whole bunch of scarves everywhere, I definitely do recommend this hanger. You should check it out. And it was like, I think $13 on Amazon or something. So yeah, and then I got some stuff from TJ Maxx in here too. I bought myself a little candle because I want to take a candle with me and light it in the nighttime. So I got this white magnolia and it smells so good. So yeah, y'all, I'm still in the midst of packing everything up and getting everything together. I just wanted to take y'all along with me. If you have not guessed where I am going, or if you did guess and you want to see if you're right, I'm going to Mali, Africa. So if you don't know, I am from Mali. My parents were born in Mali. I visited once before and loved it, but it was when I was like 14, like about to go to high school. So it's been a very long time. So I'm really excited to go see my family. My grandma, she's getting really old and I can't wait to go see her, and just all the rest of my family. So what I'm gonna do is finish up packing, and then I'm gonna take y'all along with me on the journey of spending my month there in Africa. We're gonna do some sightseeing, we're gonna see family, we're gonna do some things for Nefertari, which is my skincare company if you're not aware, and we're just gonna vibe. So I hope that you guys will join me in the journey, and I hope that y'all enjoy this video. Definitely comment down below if you actually got it right or not. Go ahead, edit your comment if you did before. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see y'all in the next vlog. Bye. Yo.